weekend kwa mo even do anje mo na be kona no bosin keta ta be kona no focus no Adam Sharp. Yes, Adam Sharp. Some kan kena nyo banana support kona na this channel ndo bana ni tila yaro. Na drop kwa comment ha ko siwe kwese. Mogona eme he kwese ka ana eme n'ihe ziri ezi. Ka onye ọbụla wee na eme ya. So at this point in time, I bet you on for video mommy. Very soon, mommy, I am 25 years as a reverend sister. Yes, on 25 years very soon. So man also can go taking on now some of the trending on so far because she has been busy with some sisters conference for the past 2 weeks ago. We in fully on social media actively after now mommy I they busy. So like we are saying, but it's so sad that nobody has come out to caution him. Nobody. All the whole Reverend Father Blanket. All the whole clergymen on our neighbor Blanket. Only 2 people. Kakukoloku sofa. Only 1 Reverend Sister and the Onyanka be Kugoloku sofa. Is it a gang up against 1 person? It's a question. And the person on our second will apologize here too. Ebuka Obi Saga, you must go and kneel down to Mbaka adoration and your for forgiveness over Guinea. Over Guinea, no mere Guinea. Ebuka Obi opale Father Mbaka. Father Nwebe takwalo mmụọ na video ya kwa video ya otalo mmụọ mana ịmaka nnecha anya asịka just gbagba nkịtị. She made mention mgbe Ogechi kwuru okwu Father Nwebe talo mmụọ na that video. Obono na anọrọ ya ka m break unu down now. O si na Ogechi kwuchara ihe n'okwu maka Mbaka mana mgbe aka kpalịrị ya. And when they picked her up, so which means Mbaka nwere legal team and Mbaka so aka Mbaka dị n'ihe pick Ogechi up abi. I told you people to relax. Father Nwebe bulugu ụzọ kwuwe ya. Father Nwebe bulugu ụzọ kwuwe ya mana ọ mara mgbe o ji dapụ ya n'ọnụ. Mana most people pay attention at that video. Kaina enekwanya. Kaime gini. Kaina enekwanya. So Mbaka nwekwu legal team that can be able to pick Ogechi up. Abi. No problem. Go, which means now aliko legal team but also Ebuka Obi nwe legal team. So the equation are balanced go. Am I against them picking Ogechi? I'm not against anybody picking Ogechi up. You can when I pick it up, you pick it up. No, no, got if we pick it up, you pick it, but let it be balanced that now. On your bonnet was a legal team. Yet ago, one was some ground saying, and this proof you know, and I get a memo matana, no more than hitcho. Bacanawero. So for the neck walk, learn to discern, learn to understand what I'm saying. I'm not really powerful, but I use your senses. Get out him neku. But I go soon in a video. Mommy, I go Madam Mario. Hoko, Nihanaga on. Kodekwan.
Video. I want to make it short. Just a message I want to pass. Sister, I'm on live program. I'll call you back. Oh, why, Oma? Okay. So, I want to tell you people. Haters. Bitter souls. I want to tell you people, I'm not stopping anybody who wants to gossip or to lie. It's not, but I want to tell you this for your own good. When you don't know the story of anybody, shut up your mouth. And go and mind your business. Okay? Keep up it. Stop basing your facts on what you are told, on what you feel. Because you may be wrong. Anybody's status can change at any time. That status you think you know can change at any time. You are not God. You are nobody's God. You see, human being. On one accident or anything can happen. The status changes From fire to corpse, the disease, the body, the remains, status changes. If you think you know me, you don't know me. If you think you can tell my story, you don't know my story. If you know my story, you won't fight me. If you know my story, you won't gossip about me. If you know my story, you won't try to hurt me. You don't know my story. You don't know who I am. Me, Mother Mario. Imaro Nyembo. Go and pray for God to tell you who I am. Because he might try. He might try. Because the God I serve, hey, the Lord who answered by fire, he will be my God. The Lord who answered by fire, he is my God. Shinkejo kwaze bere, obuye buchimo. Shinkejo kwaze bere, obuye buchimo. Onwere kwa onye na-akpasa agụ aka n'ọdụ ahụ na afọ. Ọkwụrụ ma lion. When you touch the tails of a lion, he's not gonna spare you. Ihe tinyere gị bago n'ọnụ, ekwensu agaghị emetụ ya aka. Ihe tinyere gị bago n'ọnụ, onye iro agaghị emetụ ya aka. Agụ na-eche mba, ewerele m onwe m tinye gị n'aka. Ọkwa ebe m tinyere onwe m. Igwe na-eche ndule, nna m ewerele m onwe m tinye, n'ihi na ihe tinyere gị bago n'ọnụ, ekwensu agaghị emetụ ya aka. Udiri ekwensu ọsọkwa gị bụrụ, onye nke ọsọkwa gị na-eso, ebe ichekwe, ebe position ahụ iche na ịnọ. Ihe ahụ na-glory gị. I'm telling you, that ekwensu ga-ewere gị pịa gị shinala. Ọ ga-apịa gị shinala. There are people you do not deal with. Because onwe ihe ha mere gị. Onwe ihe ha mere gị. Onye ọbụla na-enwe ihe o mere gị n'ụwa, gị na-achụgharị ya. Duty ị na-achọ position, ị na-achọ followers, ị na-eme nyukwu, ị na-eme jealousy, nonsense, worldly things, vanity upon vanity. Ị na-achụ ihe tinyere n'ọnụ ọdụm. Hey, you'll be disgraced. Achọrọ m ịga na-apụta na Facebook, na social media na-aba mba. But every day, mma afụchata ofu ihe, ofu onye ya emeke ya ofu ihe, mma eji wee pụta. Sunu kwụsị ife a. When you're asked to do a job, do it professionally.
At the light, turn left on the Beachnet Street.
You don't have to love anybody to work with that person. You don't have to like anybody before you can work with anybody. If you apply for a job, actually it's not chaff. Unachi he Mother Mario oge make it on as na me wone. Rapkwan maka jesuo ike. Naturally is not position, naturally is not title. Go and ask God to give you your own. I'm tired. And when I'm tired, that's it. Mother Mary, when I'm tired, you mean I'm tired here? Tired time to be happy, time to play. When try we have yakai gulegu. When try paritoka. That's what I have time here. I don't have time for the jealousy, the envy. for wicked souls, bitter hearts. I have time for those who want to be happy like me. I don't have time for you. Manam one kain efe, chinkain efe bu chinkendi dundo, God the eternal Father. We have no room to allow haters around us.
Turn right into the parking lot.
We don't have that time. If the buy so, Biasuzo, I am working in a susu. I am a soga and any working in a susu. The mother is in. Love one another. Ask God to give you your own gifts and blessings. Stop fighting for love. Stop fighting for space. Some people don't like social media, yet they're on social media 24 hours. They don't like social media, but they want followers. They create something and start doing it. He who is not for me is against me. If you are for somebody, don't be by the side and claim I am for this person. What shows that you are for this person? If you are for Mother Mario and you cannot publicly talk about me, you are not for me. Oh my God. I mean, if you say you love me, you love Mother Mario, and you cannot boldly say, I love Mother Mario, leave her alone, I am for you, shame on you. You should be able to come out boldly and proclaim what you believe in. Not in Onako, Zafa. Come out and declare who you are. Where do you belong? Now, I am for Jesus. Yet you cannot come out and stand and say I am for Jesus. In Onako, can you do so Jesus? You when I can. Are you for Jesus? I stand for what I believe in. Mother Mario stands for what? Oh, look what you're not. Okay. I stand for what I believe in. So that thing you believe in, put a forgive or else never, you're not ready to take risk. You're not ready to take risks. That means you have not loved. You don't want the world to know that you are my friend. You are for me. You support me. Rather, on the phone, inbox, you tell me, Mother Mary, I love you. I support you. No, come out and defend me. Come out and fight for me. So, if you say that you are for, let me give a practical example. If you say you love Brother Ebuka Obi, right? You say you support him in the work he's doing for God, and you cannot boldly come out and speak for him. Shame on you. Tell yourself the truth. You don't know what you want. Or what if I am making? If you say the truth, if you say you love Brother Kobe, leave him alone. You can say it. Church congregation make anything because you're not preaching. Come and follow him on this. What I'm saying is that if I tell them, so if you cannot boldly appointment, Jerry. No for now. When all the time, self. I'm preparing for my occasion, for my jubilee, self. I don't have time. I don't have time for people now where publish shame. Una cho onye unu ga-asị kwuru unu ka a ga-asị Mother Mario kwuo ne. Unu emechagokwa m o, ihe niile unu ga-eme m o. Ekwutachagokwa m. Se nwere sikwa m ụdịrị shame ahụ. Unu chere na unu nwere ike imenye m. Because o nwere ihe fọrọ nụ. Ihe m chọdịrị ime ha. So, oh my God, I don't even know where to begin. Because my friends, I love you all, okay? But tell me who you move with, and I will tell you who you are. People put that. I love Ebuka Obi. I am with him. In a true area, in a area, whereas you cannot boldly speak for him. Rather, one secret, I secretly. When Jesus was caught, a lot of people ran away. They couldn't come out to defend because they are afraid of death. Why are you afraid of death? Why are you afraid of persecution? If you are ready to follow God, you have to be ready to stand. Have you ready to be a martyr? I mean, if you love me, you come and stand beside me and say, I am for Mother Mario. Not to say it, because no have kwamaka. Hi friends, take care. I love you all. Bye.